Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my new video. Today I'm going to be unboxing this right over here, and this is my October Base Boxycharm. I spent $28 a month on this, and here's the card that comes in the box. It says, "Everyone will be under your spell." Now, before I show you what I got in my box, if you haven't yet, please subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate it because it shows me that you love me and my content. And I hope you guys love me. Okay, the first item in my box, I got the Natasha Denona, and this is the Cupid Cheek Duo. Let you take a look at that. It's very pretty packaging. And then here's the powder highlighter, and then the cream blush. Now, I don't like when you mix the two different formulas because the powder and the cream should not be mixing. So you should have a protective container or something to cover it so it doesn't mix. So I don't like that. This is $42, and now I'm going to vent because this is the third time I got this product. The first time was in my Boxycharm, the February box. My last Ipsy Glam Bag X, I got it for a second time. So when I opened my box and I saw this sitting there, I got so pissed. I went over, I was like, are you fucking kidding me right now? This can't be happening. Maybe it's a different shade. I opened it up, nope, same shade. It's not okay, Ipsy, for you to do this because we all know you own Boxycharm. It's not an accident that this happened. You have too much inventory in your warehouse. We spend too much money on this for you to get rid of your inventory this way. You want to get rid of it? Here's an idea. Put it in your Ipsy and Boxycharm sales. Get rid of it this way because doing it this way is just doing us dirty, and it's not okay. Tell me if you agree with me. I doubt that you would disagree because this is absurd. Okay, let's go ahead and talk about the second item I got in the box. So this is the Wander Beauty, and you get the shade Smitten and Swoon, and it's called the Double Date Eyeshadow Duo, which is really cute. Here is the packaging and the box that it comes in, and the top container you get the powder eyeshadow, and then on the bottom you get the cream and you get a mirror as well, which I really like. And here's the mirror. And take note, Natasha, look what they did. Separate packaging for the formulas. This is how you do it. Now let me go ahead and swatch it for you. So this first is going to be the powder, and then the second swatch is going to be the cream. This is why I love these colors. They are absolutely gorgeous. This is my go-to. I'm so happy it's in here. And they went on my eyes beautifully. So towards the inner corner of my eyelid, the cream is on there, and then the powder eyeshadow is right in the middle. I just dabbed it on there and it looks gorgeous. Everything blended out. The pigment was amazing. I am really happy with this. And this one over here costs $26. So this is going to get a lot of use for me. Now the third item, I received this brand before. I can't remember. I think it's both in Boxycharm and Ipsy, but I got the eye cream version. And this is the Symbiosis, and it's got hyaluronic acid and something called RNA7. I have no idea what that is. And it's supposed to be depuffing, dark circle relief eye serum. So I'm going to show it to you. You do get a good amount of product in here. You get 0.50 fluid ounces. So there's a good amount in here. But wait till you hear the price of this. I don't mind spending money on skincare, but this is a little absurd even for me. So this little tube over here costs $127. Look at it. It is $127 for this. So I'm glad it's in my box. I get to try it, and it would have to do magical thing under my eyes to spend that much money on this to repurchase it. All right, the next item is going to be the St. Lux setting spray. And this is a very lightweight setting spray. Now, this is my first impressions, so I sprayed it on today. Everything set down amazing. Everything blended out, and it looks gorgeous. Will my makeup last longer? I don't know, because I've been wearing this makeup for 4 or 5 hours, but I haven't been in the hot, sweaty sun, so I haven't been running around. But so far, I'm really stoked with how everything looks on my face. The mist is gorgeous. Wait till you see this. I want to show you the mist before the product, because, I mean, this is where it's at. Do you see how gorgeous that mist is? Okay, let's go ahead and show you the actual product now. Isn't that pretty? That is gorgeous. Okay, so this over here costs $25. The last item is a primer. So this is Tahitian Breakfast Dewy Collagen Face Primer. You get 101 ounces in this. And look at this bright packaging. This is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, if you can't smile looking at this, I don't know what will. So I did put this on today. It is very, very light glowiness to it. It's nothing extreme. It's not going to be like the Alicia Keys one. Everybody knows and loves that one. And it's definitely not going to be like the Lorac one. That is my absolutely favorite to wear underneath makeup, because it gives you glowy skin. This is very light, so if you're scared of dipping your toe into glowing primers, this is perfect. It was very, very light. Like I said, this is my first impressions. I don't know if it's going to make your makeup last from morning to night, but so far I really like this. And this is even good if you want to sit there and do your skincare. You don't want to go out and put a full face of makeup. You can slap this on with some mascara, some lip gloss, and it's going to look like you've been eating healthy, you've been drinking your water, you've been doing your skincare. This is nice. I'm really happy with it. And this over here is $32. So if you add all my items up, my total box value is $252. So I think that is really amazing. Yes, you have some things that boosted the price, the retail price of this. This boosted it up like crazy, but I'm still really stoked about it. We all know what my least favorite is. I'm going to get that out of the way. This over here is my least favorite. If you couldn't have guessed this, I don't know what to tell you. You may have had a few drinks, because I think I made it loud and clear, and I hope Ipsy finds this video and listens to it, because this is not fair. Okay, my favorite item, this was kind of tough, but I'm going to go with the eyeshadow. I am so happy how it blended out. The colors are extremely pigmented. They blended out beautifully. They look amazing, and I have allergy eyes, and that it still looks amazing this far along. And I did not do my NYX glitter primer that I usually do, and it looks amazing. I'm happy about it. That's my favorite item. Now, what I would have picked as my second favorite is going to be the setting spray. I'm really happy how everything's set. It doesn't look powdery. My makeup has not moved. I'm happy with that. So I had to say my second favorite, because that was definitely it. But I'm really happy with almost everything I got in this box. Now, if you stuck around, thank you so much. I appreciate it. I love you guys to pieces. And let's go ahead and end this video by doing fur baby time. Come here, sugar bear. Even though that you've been running around this room like crazy. Yes, she's just been running around acting like a little child, even though she's my old lady. All right, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. She's going crazy. These kisses are all for you, by the way. I love you guys so much. See you in the next one.